Somebody help me! Box for trash. Put it right here and... Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Artemy and I do work home renovation. Today I want to show you new hammer drill from company Milwaukee tools. But first show you present from company Viga. It is gloss, very nice, pipe cleaner, and look at this. And also thank you company Viga for this. Okay, let's take a look. Somebody help me! How do that? Ta-da! Okay, hammer drill with vacuum brush, you know. Look at this. Ta-da! So what we have? We have charger. 1 second. Charger rapid for fast charging, you know. Very cool. And also we have 2 battery. A3 per hour. 1. This is extra battery. And first battery right here. Also we have brush, extra brush. He have lock. Then we do put it right here and okay, brand new. This never use. He have box for trash. I'm show you. Box for trash. He work this way and also he have stick for ceiling work, you know. I show you. When you need work for ceiling, you know, this is stick for very help you for this work. Look at this. For example, this is work ceiling, yeah? Look at this. You work and you can left hand help you for this work. Look at this. And you have long time work for this stick. And very cool. If you no need this stick, you can put this is button, you know, and you can work what you like. We have oil for drill. I'm show you install drill for work oil. And the install to drill. Look at this. You need put right here and that's it. Unlock. This is vacuum brush, you know. Okay, let's go checking. Okay, guys, let's go checking. But I remember for he don't work before you. Oh, sticker. And right now, and he ready to work. Did you hear this? Tick tick. You know it's neat for help trash go in box trash, you know. Chick chick chick, the vibration, you know. This is cool. This is cool. That's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe our channel. See you later.